What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in Thailand.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go!
What's up, travelers?
Good morning from Bangkok, Thailand. And today, pupunta kami sa mga temples, Grand Palace, and later, pupunta kami sa Platinum Mall.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go! Tara na!
But first, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Tumawid lang kami from our hotel. We're gonna have breakfast here at I'm Aim Bar and Restaurant. Bar and Restaurant sa umaga. Para kasi may mga ano sila, pad thai, kap-kapraw, so kain na. So yung breakfast ni Tony is a set of toast and coffee. This is mozzarella cheese with onion and basil. This is for
199 baht.
and we got pad thai. This one is for 150 baht. Also got grilled pork. It comes with rice. This one is for 100 baht. We are currently on our way to
The Grand Palace. This is my second time here in Grand Palace. Pero ngayon ako papasok. Unang beses hanggang labas lang ako. Kasi pagod na kami noon. Galing pa kami dun sa other country nung time na yon. So hindi na kami pumasok, hanggang dyan lang kami sa gate.
Mag-grab dapat kami, pero paglabas namin ng hotel, may kuya na nag-offer, actually floating market, pero tinanggihan namin. Pero tinanong niya saan pupunta. Nung sabi namin Grand Palace, 50 baht daw he'll take us. So pumayag na kami kasi yung Grab 70 baht.
So nakatipid kami ng 20 baht.
Not bad. So pasok na kami sa Grand Palace.
Let's go!
So if you're wearing shorts, you have to wear long clothes. So nagbebenta sila dito ng skirts for 500 baht. So let's go inside. So we're gonna buy our ticket here. Let's use our cash card. Buy ticket.
2 female.
2 female. Next, we are from ABC
Insert
machine.
card.
Insert. So you insert card there.
Yay! Thank you! We're done.
Tapos the ticket comes out here. Tapos malalabas. Okay. So doon. Okay, we're done. We have our tickets. Let's go inside the Grand Palace. So if you don't want to buy your tickets at the kiosk, they also sell here. There are booths here for the tickets. So let's go inside the Grand Palace. Tayong mga tourists. So sa may entrance, after lang nung ticket booth, merong ding isa pang parang tent. Tapos they offer English speaking guide. Actually, it's available in 9 languages, nakita namin. Tapos how much? 200 baht? 200 baht for 1.5 hours. So yan, nasa loob na kami. Punta kayong maaga guys sa Grand Palace kasi sobrang daming tours. Ang daming tao. But if you come early, mas makakapag tour kayo ng maayos. are inside the Grand Palace and ang dami-daming tao.
Sobrang daming tao. Parating yung mga group tours.
So dapat
Agahan nyo.
dapat talaga maagang-maaga kayo pumunta dito para makapag-explore kayo ng mas maayos.
Mas maganda yung pictures.
Oo. Well, we'll show you around. Dito tayo. Pero maganda siya. Yan. Dito sa may bandang likod na part, towards the exit, medyo mas konti na yung tao. So kung photo op yung hanap nyo, marami din ditong spots na pwede. Right?
Correct. Correct.
Ikot tayo. Ikot. Yan. Hindi na sumama yung kasama ko sa pag-ikot. Baka mahilo. Mainit. Yun lang, mainit talaga. Bring water. Bring a fan. Kasi mainit siya. So, upon exit, may tindang water dito and soda. Water is 20 baht. So is soda. 20 baht din siya. So, pa-exit na to ng Grand Palace. So, we're here at the Grand Palace.
And based on our research, this is the official residence of the king since 1972.
Yes. Also, may madami siyang mga buildings, mga temples all around it. And up to now, they use this as function hall for different events all throughout the year. So, that's the Grand Palace for you.
Ang ganda niya.
Yeah.
Actually, malawak siya pero may mga designated areas lang na pwedeng pumasok yung tourist.
Yep. So, yeah. Ikot-ikot pa kami. This is the Grand Palace talaga. Yan, bawal na pumasok dito. And bandami pang mga ibang temples around.
No, it's not my choice.
Kamusta?
Ang init.
And there's a really nice cafe before exiting the Grand Palace. So, stop muna kami dito for some cold drinks. Sa amin mag-slushy at medyo mainit. So, we got buy one take one pinky slushy. I think it has tomato,
Orange.
orange, and mango.
Not
Mango lang,
mangosteen.
sorry. Mango lang. And then it's for 140 baht. Buy one, take one na siya. The water, we also got water. It's for 20 baht yung water. Sarap. Ang sarap dito. Lamig pa.
Gusto mo na kasi maasim.
Oh, here's the slushy.
Nararamdaman ng AC. Init ulit yung kasi.
Ang sarap. Alas sa akin tomato. It's tomato, orange, and mango. 140 baht. Buy one, take one. Not bad. So, still here in the coffee shop, he bought chicharon. It's for chicharon pero rice. Or Rice Krispies siya. It's for 120 baht. And then, I got jam. Anong kito? Strawberry jam. Huwag kayong magkamali, hindi to lotion. Strawberry jam siya for 45 baht. Not bad. So, upon exit, you'd see the sign going to Wat Po. So, you can do that after your Grand Palace. So, tara, that's what we're gonna do. currently walking towards Wat Po.
Yes, medyo malayo siya, mga 12-minute walk. Sabi sa Google Map, pero sa tinatakbo na lakad namin.
Ano tinatakbo ng lakad?
Ay na ano, sa nilalakad namin, sa speed ng nilalakad namin, abutin kami naman 20 to 25 minutes.
Kala ko days.
Yan, malapit lang siya sa mga normal na naglalakad.
Pero mainit din kasi.
Oo, kahit gloomy siya, sobrang init talaga. Ayun.
So, sa Grand Palace sa labas, may mga magsasabi sa inyo na closed yung Grand Palace.
Meron kanina sa amin na nagsabi na the Grand Palace is closed. So, yung scam na yon na experience namin.
So, tapos sasabihin nila, pero may pagdadalhan sila na ibang lugar sa inyo, ganyan. Huwag kayo papayag. Wag, hindi nagsasara yung Grand Palace. Tingnan nyo na lang sa internet kung magsasara siya. Pero hindi. Tapos, dito naman, on our way to Wat Po, may lumapit sa amin, binibentahan kami ng, bibigyan na kaming map free daw. But don't believe them. Nothing's for free. Nakakahinga. Maglakad.
Ayun. And isa pang nabasa kong scam is yung mga taxi drivers, aalokin nila kayong pumunta ng floating market. So, mura lang siya, 300, 400 baht each papunta doon.
Yes.
Pero pagdating doon, may kausap na silang boat, nasisingilin kayo ng mahal. And sabi, yung floating market na yon 3 times yung normal price ng mga goods.
Yes.
So, ingat din kayo doon. Pero hindi naman naman na-experience on based lang doon sa mga nabasa ko.
Oo. So, before you go to a place, magbasa-basa din kayo or manood kayo ng mga videos about the scams para hindi kayo masascam. Ingat-ingat din pag
Yes.
nagja-travel.
Yan, malapit na kami.
Lapit na kami sa Wat Po. So we're here at Wat Po. We're gonna go to the entrance
Yeah.
right about now. So here we are at Wat Po, and there's a ticket price of 300 baht per person. So we're just gonna fan ourselves and then get the ticket here. So same as the Grand Palace, you can't wear shorts. And no shorts, no short skirts, no ripped jeans, no mahabang slit. Yan. Then ticket is for single entrance only, but you can tell them if you wish to come back. Got our tickets to Wat Po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here we go. This is a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. Wat Po. Napakagalang niya, no? Wat Po? So you can beat the gong here. Ayan, for the experience. And just donate some money. We gave 20 baht.
20 baht.
Pasok na tayo. There's an exhibit here, but you have to take off your shoes. So, wag na lang. So, dito yung papunta sa Leaning Buddha. And so, to go inside, kailangan tanggalin yung shoes, but they have bags here kung saan mo pwedeng ilagay yung shoes mo. So, tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Let's get a bag. And there's a message here to beware of pickpocket.
Attention please. Attention please.
Let's go inside.
小心扒手，小心扒手。
This is the big Buddha. Reclining Buddha. So, ulo pa lang to, guys. It's so big. Wow. Our favorite tourist attraction, the electric fan.
Sobrang init.
Ang hirap kumuha ng angle. Ayan, silip-silip lang. So here's the Buddha. And it goes all the way there. So that's such a huge Buddha. Okay. And as Tony the Marites heard, these are hand painted 100%. So it goes all the way through the whole temple up until the ceiling. So all the columns and the walls are hand painted. So these walls are also hand painted. And again, it goes all the way there to the ceiling. So ayan. Now you know. So the temple goes around. Yan yung back side ng Buddha. So you can buy 1 cup, 20 baht of coins, and you can put it here. So from start to finish, I said it's 100 pots for the coin. So after the tour, you go out, put on your shoes, and return the bags right there. So may vendo naman dito. Sobrang init. Pwede bumili. Ayun, oh. Bayad na sa kanila. The water here is for
10 baht.
10 baht. There's a souvenir shop inside where they also sell drinks and ice cream. So, ayan.
Ang init!
Parang init. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. This one pa. So nice here.